it's Susie Lee with 66 Degrees. Just wanted to share a really cool feature that recently came out with NotebookLM. Let's get started. So go to notebooklm.google.com. We're going to create a brand new notebook. Here's my old one that I have a video for. I'm going to create a notebook on how to potty train my 18-month-old. So let's get started. So I'm going to have a few different, mostly links, because I haven't created anything. So I'm going to paste the URL here and insert that. I'm going to take another URL. I'm going to keep adding different websites. And I wonder if it'll work Reddit. I haven't tried Reddit yet, so let's see if Reddit will work. Doing this in real time. Maybe a couple of videos. And one video here. And let's do one more. So we've got several different resources and insert those. And now it's creating my NotebookLM. So best practices. So it's going to, do what we know. It's going to take all the material that I've inputted and summarize or answer my questions. But what I want to show you, the new part is the video overview and the mind map. These are really fantastic. I'm a huge fan of these, especially because they give really good videos. It does take a little bit of time, but it's worth the wait. Let me go ahead and get one started. So video overview, we're going to have it be generated. We're going to do study guides, briefing document, FAQ, timeline. And so it's taking all this information, assess readiness and timing. It's giving me all the great details on best practices, preparing your child, observations, some really great stuff. I asked a very general question, so maybe I should ask something specific like, how many days will it take to train? So this is really great. I have clients using this for all different reasons. I've got clients that are in manufacturing, assembly. I've got clients using this for internal resources. They put their HR policies in, and you can ask it things like, what is my PTO policy? What is my whatever it is that you're looking for? So this is giving you a quick method, longer process, weeks to months, years. Oh my goodness, I don't want it to be years. I hope it's just a couple days. I hear great things. So, and then let's see what a mind map is. This is really cool. I love this mind map because it's so much faster than if I were to generate it on my own. It would take me all day because it's something I haven't done in a very long time. So, comprehensive overview. Here is a mind map. This is probably not the best example, but look how quickly that was. And then I can click on this and I'll break out and go in to more detail. Make this a little bit bigger. Preparations. And it breaks this down. I love this. This is so great because, like I said, if I were to create this on my own, it would probably take me a few days. So this is what MindMaps looks like. And I believe the video is taking a little bit longer. The cool thing about this is that I can actually refresh here and it'll remove all my chat history. Another great thing is I could put notes, I could do reports. Again, I think study cards are coming out, which is interesting. It's great for when you're studying for certifications, exams, just getting prepared. Maybe you're even going to visit a client and you want to make sure you're ready for it, what you need to know. Let's also create a audio overview just as a reminder. This is going to a couple of minutes as well. All right, let's take a look at our video. Here we go. It looks like it's about 6 minutes long.
Okay, so if you're a parent of a toddler, you know there's one topic that can feel totally, overwhelming. And that's potty training. There's just so much conflicting advice out there. The pressure's real. So today, we're going to cut through all that noise. We're going to build a clear, real.
This is really cool.
Your readiness to teach. And this is where things get really interesting. On the one hand, you have the.
So it'd be great when I first starting potty training to watch this video overview and kind of get an idea. I can create a study guide to do that. And then also don't forget about the audio. So this is the audio as I've shown you before.
Toddler milestones.
This is two people going back and forth.
Let's be honest, one of them moves particularly
well. And then the interactive is still very cool, where I can ask it questions.
You're stepping into the world of toddler miles. Hey there.
Hi.
Want to share your thoughts on this?
How long will it take me to potty train? And it's going to think about it.
You're stepping into the world of, that's such a great interjection. Absolutely. Because that's exactly what we want you, our listener, to be doing throughout this whole conversation. Just so, really.
That's really a popular one. And I'm a huge fan of all of these. You can also share this, which is really great. So maybe I want to share this with everybody in my household. You can do it with a welcome note. You can give them full access, or maybe you just want them to be able to chat. The ability to share just the audio and video in MindMaps is coming as well. So we're really excited for all these cool new features. Let me know if you have any questions, as always, and looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much.